only blooming Saturday. How's it going, guys and girls? How are you? How you doing? How you feeling in yourself? How's the universe treating you? Weekend's upon us. Andrea's grafting. She's just having a little bit of a rest, but she's just been painting these doors like a frantic animal all morning. Now we're all right. I'm kind of like, Andrea's kind of a bit like, so yeah, watch this space. Let's see what colour they go next. Something like that. Not sure what I've got to do today. Documentary is screaming out. Got to transfer loads of data, and then yeah, whatever else happens. I just probably blazed an hour on the good old Tinternet, looking, dreaming, and just wishing my money away basically. So the pursuit for a van continues, but it's slowly losing momentum. Let's just say that. Never mind. The fact that we're here, we're living, we're breathing, birds are singing. That ain't bad. So we're gonna take that, be grateful for what we've got, and the rest of it's up to the world, the universe, and just how much we want it. Something like that, right? Let's do it. Anyway, let's get this day rolling. As always, thanks for tuning in. I hope you're winning. Hope it's a good one. Roll that intro. Ta-da! Yeah, I had to sort my life out a little bit, didn't I? I needed a shave. I couldn't see my face for the just madness that it was. It's 4:10, man. I've had a shower, shave, chilled out, groomed myself a little bit, and Andrea's kind of given up on the cupboard doors, which is fair enough. I've been asked politely if I would finish the sanding, so that sounds like fun. The madness is real. I've still got to do some work on the documentary. All the data is shifted about, so that's a good start. Now I just need to get dirty in a timeline and try to like make something a little bit more story-like. So yeah, I have the joys of either sanding or story. I'm going with story first, I think. After all, I did just get out of the shower. The last thing that I want to do is start sanding doors down. Let's get a bit of an edit on, shall we? 'cause I've only just started editing, and then I thought, well, if I can get a little bit done.
Like microwave meal kind of thing.
Yeah, sounds good. Just that's gonna be too much to go in one, isn't it?
That can go in one, right?
Mm-hmm.
Or is that going to be a tour?
That's a one. Mm-mm.
Although you're a lot better at it. Are some of them still wet?
Don't know, but some of them have got some right old clumps of paint on. Nine o'clock. Andrea's wiping door fronts down. Everything's sanded apart from the ones that are already still bolted on. And yeah, man, mission continues. I might get some content real soon, maybe. And then I'll get an edit on.
'cause everything I do is like
that is a fair bit of time put into the edits on the documentary today, and still trying to just gather footage, and there's a load of B-roll that I've got to get, but I ain't gonna bore you with that. Today's just predominantly been that. So yeah, not exactly the most gnarliest of vlogs. A little bit of DIY, a little bit of editing, a little bit of like self-care time, a few coffees, and that's pretty much it, man. Not a bad Saturday, really. I cannot grumble. I hope it's been good to you. I hope you're looking forward to what's left of the weekend. If you're watching this when it went live, there's a few hours, man. There's a few hours, make the most of it. But onto a new week, onto a new vibe, same mission. Plan to take over the world. On that, take it easy, have a fantastic evening. As always, thanks for tuning in. Take care, be cool, stay awesome, and I'll see you same time, same place tomorrow. Have a good one. Do you need me to do like cupboard drawers and like all the ones that are in? Or just the ones that are off?
They will need doing, but...
Oh crap.